Like, I done been through so much. I just be on some real life fuck these niggas type shit. Introvert. You know, I'd rather be by myself because before I let a fuck nigga knock me off my motherfucking pivot, nigga, I knock a fuck nigga off. So I just be picking back. Real life shit though. Feel me?
Feel like the world's on my shoulders, so much bad luck, I need a 4-leaf clover. Talking to the sky cause I really need closure. When I'm running through this bottle trying to keep my composure. Niggas turning fake on me, supposed to be my soldiers. My sister going through a blood and knocking solar. I'm trying to stay sane, but depression getting closer. I'm fighting through aggression, got a nigga bipolar. It's so many different reasons why I'm a loner. People don't let you to the casket is lowered. The inside of my chest, it felt like it's October. I grew up in the gutter balls from a bad bowler. Daughter damn near from my mama, don't hold her. She barely even pick up the phone to check on her. I know I did some fucked up shit, but that's colder. I'ma have to explain family when she older. Friends fake as fuck, niggas never kept it real, and it's really fucked up cause over blood I would've killed. I was the only nigga that was there before that deal. Homie, are you still down? Can you tell me how you feel? You acting like a nigga never popped 100 seals. Kept you high as fucking kept that beef off your heels. Homeless together, nigga, we was sharing meals. Now you wanna turn your back like I ain't bum beat trill. Let's just keep it real, blood, you did me kinda wrong. You meant twisted and say, now let them take me off that song. Never let me know nothing, nigga, never call my phone. You was supposed to be my brother, blood, you left me all alone. How the fuck we go from recording and rocking shows to my nigga acting like he never wanna see me own? It was heavy on my mind, I had to get it off my dome. Hope it touch somebody hard and they can feel it in their bones. I'm so offended, you would turn your back, you would treat your real niggas like that. I'm so offended, I just gotta stay facts. After this there probably ain't no coming back. I'm so offended, you was supposed to keep it real, but now you niggas don't see how I feel. I'm so offended, and my heart turns steel. I'm done showing love, I'm too trill, cause I'm so offended that you would turn your back, you would treat your real niggas like that. I'm so offended, I just gotta stay facts. After this there probably ain't no coming back. I'm so offended, you was supposed to keep it real, but now you niggas don't see how I feel, cause I'm so offended, and now my heart turns steel. I'm done showing love, I'm too trill, I'm so offended.
You know niggas probably gonna feel some type of way after they hear this, but it is what it is. I'm done biting my tongue. But you know real niggas is back in style. All you fuck niggas gonna get pushed to the side, nigga. Sooner or later the world will see the truth, my nigga. I'm 10 toes in this shit, nigga. Always have been, always will be, nigga. Ain't nothing ever gonna change about me. Oh. Like, I done been through so much. I just be on some real life.